Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a family visit visa invitation letter. This letter is a formal document that you send to a family member who is applying for a visa, inviting them to visit you in your country with essential details. You should begin your letter by including your full name, address, city, postal code, contact number, email address, and the date. Next, address the letter to the relevant consulate or embassy specifying its name, address, city, and country. For the subject line, clearly state that the letter is an invitation letter for a family visit visa to ensure clarity. Finally, start the letter with a formal salutation, addressing the consular officer by name if known. After that, write, I, your name, residing at your address, am writing to invite my relationship, e.g., father, mother, brother, visitor's name, to visit me in, country name, for duration, e.g., 3 months. I am your status, e.g., citizen permanent resident, of country and wish to host them from start date to end date. The purpose of their visit is to spend quality family time together and explore cultural landmarks during their stay. I will be responsible for their accommodation at my residence and cover their living expenses during their visit. Enclosed are copies of my identification, proof of relationship, and financial documents to support their visa application. Please feel free to contact me if further information is required. Sincerely, your name. Here's our sample family visit visa invitation letter. You'll notice how it clearly outlines the purpose of the visit, your relationship with the invited family member, and the support you will provide during their stay. The letter includes essential details such as travel dates, accommodation arrangements, and financial support to strengthen the visa application. By following this format step by step, you can create a well-structured and convincing invitation letter that helps your family member's visa application process. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on drafting effective visa and immigration documents.